The prestige battle in what was formerly and still is in fact Raebareli, a Congress citadel, a Gandhi citadel in fact. And you had Amit Shah as well as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's currently campaigning in Raebareli. Amit Shah took on Rahul Gandhi. He said that Rahul Gandhi will shift to Italy after his Raebareli defeat. Meanwhile, Priyanka Gandhi took on the Prime Minister, saying that he's seeking votes in the name of the Ram Mandir. Take a look.
मैं बहन प्रियंका जी का भाषण सुन रहा था। उन्होंने कहा मैं मेरे परिवार से वोट मांगने आई हूं। लोकतंत्र के अंदर 5 साल तक यहां से चुन कर जाने के बाद सोनिया जी और इनका परिवार रायबरेली कितनी बार आया है भैया बताओ तो जरा। मोदी जी ने विकास की बहार चलाई, मगर ये परिवार यहां एक बाड़ लगाकर बैठा है, विकास को रायबरेली में घुसने नहीं देता है। ये बाड़ा एक बार तोड़ दो, रायबरेली जनपद को हम उत्तर प्रदेश में नंबर 1 जनपद बनाएंगे, नंबर 1।
ये लोग कहते हैं फिर से सरकार बनाओगे तो संविधान बदल देंगे, संविधान बदल देंगे, आपके अधिकार आपके आरक्षण खत्म हो जाएंगे। यही चाहते हैं ये लोग, चाहते हैं कि सत्ता बनी रहे बस। अब आ गया है समय सबको बदलने का। अपना भविष्य अपने हाथों में लो और हम सब हैं, पुश्तों से आपके साथ खड़े हैं। दादी जी शहीद हुई जब आपकी सांसद थी, पिताजी खड़े हो गए, वो शहीद हुए, माता जी खड़ी हो गई, आज उनका बेटा है आपके पास, उसके मन में आपके लिए श्रद्धा है, दिल लगा के काम करेंगे आपके लिए। उनको भारी बहुमत से जिताइए, किसी के भय में मत आइए, डरिए मत।
Tanish Punjabi is now joining us live from Priyanka Gandhi's public rally there. So, Tanish, what is the mood in Raebareli? Priyanka Gandhi has been making quite a lot of emotional pitches there as well. And the Gandhi surname, does it still matter in Raebareli?
Well, of course, you know, for a lot of people, the Gandhi surname does matter. You know, even when Sonia Gandhi decided that she is not going to contest Lok Sabha elections anymore, you know, I visited Raebareli, and for people of Raebareli, they said, be it Priyanka Gandhi, be it Rahul Gandhi. For a lot of people in Raebareli, not all of them, of course, you know, for a lot of people in Raebareli, they said, be it Priyanka Gandhi, be it Rahul Gandhi, be it any Gandhi, it is the Gandhi surname that matters, and they feel that they have a very personal relationship with the Gandhi family. But I'm right now near a Nukkad Sabha that is being hosted by, you know, that is being addressed by Priyanka Gandhi. Of course, she has been here for the past week or so, you know, addressing small public meetings in different parts of Raebareli, reaching out to people, doing public reach out. And this comes on the same day. Today, Home Minister Amit Shah also visited Raebareli and held a big public meeting as well. He of course hit out at Priyanka Gandhi and the Gandhis, Priyanka Gandhi and the Gandhis, and you know, turned the whole Raebareli battle into a prestige battle, saying that if BJP wins in Raebareli, they will make Raebareli number 1. While on the other hand, you know, we can of course hear Priyanka Gandhi hitting out, saying that the Home Minister and the Prime Minister should present what did they do in the last 10 years. So of course, war of words going on. The battle of Raebareli has of course been turned into a prestige battle. Home Minister saying that if we win Raebareli, it means we are 400 par. And at the same time, you know, we also know that in 2019, it was Raebareli was the only seat that Congress managed to win. So of course, it is a prestige battle between the two. And of course, you know, just 1 hour away from here is Amethi, where of course the party Karyakartas are working, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also there. So of course, the focus has now shifted to phase 5. You know, the polling tomorrow, there will be polling of phase 4 and then phase 5. The focus is completely on phase 5 with Amethi, Raebareli, Lucknow, all the political hot seats going to polls in phase 5. Yes.